What is up, YouTube? This is Zach and Greg here with Dream Media Home Theater, and we are on our way out to Maidstone now. We finally made it here to Europe. It's been a very long trip. Landed in London. Heathrow. Yesterday. Kind of worn out, just took it easy. We're gonna start this trip off right. Check out Kef's manufacturing facilities. They're gonna do a few parts of this tour. There's gonna be manufacturing, engineering. We're also gonna be doing demos of the products and find out what makes this product so special. Greg, you excited?
I'm excited for this, guys. We've been waiting a long time for this. Then we're gonna go see their museum. Then we're gonna take us out to lunch. So should be nice.
Brewskis with the bros.
Yeah, we're gonna show you guys all about what's going on there.
Cool. Well, this is just part one of our trip over here in Europe, guys. We hope that you follow along. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and give us a big thumbs up. All right, guys. Well, we really appreciate all of your support. This is Zach and Grayson with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Sun's out, buns out. All right, guys, we made it. We are here out at Kef. I got Johan, who is going to be our guide today. He's going to be showing us around the facilities.
Yeah, sure. Hi, welcome to Maidstone, Kent. This is called the Garden of England. It's the hop growing for beer and apples district. It's kind of weird. This is kind of the birthplace of Kef, and we've been here since 1961. I mean, Kef is a lot bigger now. It's like we've got worldwide facilities all over the place. But here the acoustic heart beats. All the engineers, everything's conceptualized here. This site, if you just pan around a little bit, you can see down. It's pretty quiet. We're swimming around here. There was the time when we used to produce everything here. No way we could. We're far too big. But there was a plan to sell this site. There's new residential all over the place.
Looks like it.
But we are the last industrial thing here. This has traditionally been a metalworks, and so we just stay here. So we got the luxury of like almost too much space.
Well, we're really glad that you guys did keep it around. It's absolutely beautiful here, guys. Definitely. I'm sure the video's not doing it justice, but I did a little B-roll. We're gonna go inside and check out these speakers. Okay, guys, so this is the presentation room. John is gonna be kind of explaining to us some of the current products that are now on the market, and walking us through the exact models and what make Kef so unique.
Well, this room, you know, it was a bit of a luxury to do this, but it's very effective. In this room, we maintain in one room where you can do a full circle of everything that is Kef. Of course, Kef does a lot of products from really affordable to really virtually unpayable. Where we start off with, you know, even our Q series, which are entry-level bookshelf loudspeakers, and going up to floor standards, still have the hallmark of Kef technology. And so most of our products have Uni-Q, point source, all frequencies from 1 point, very even dispersion off axis. This includes most of our architectural loudspeakers, speakers for the ceiling or for the wall. But we start off, if I talk in dollars, something I believe around $500, something like that, $600, and moving up. So the Q series is our entry level, 2 bookshelves, three floor standers, center channel. There is a smaller center channel as well, and Dolby Atmos upward firing module. We then move from there onto the R series. Now, R series are obviously more premium, both in terms of finish, like beautiful lacquer, in black, white, or an extraordinary new finish of walnut, and these take over where the Q series finish. So in terms of those, I believe, I'm trying to think dollars, would be I can't remember.
That's
Say it in
okay.
pounds. You can say it in
Anyway,
pounds.
Yeah, you can say
But
that.
they take over. So these R3s are about, I believe they're about £1,300.
All of the pricing's on the internet, so don't worry about pricing.
So we've got a 3-way bookshelf. So we add a bass driver to a more sophisticated Uni-Q, so it's 3-way. We got 3 floor standers, a very slim, elegant model with 5 1/4 inch bass moving up to the R7. We have Uni-Q 2 bass, driven bass, flank in Dapolito array, flank a Uni-Q, which makes for very even dispersion, and they feature 6.5 inch to 6.5 inch bass. We tried to make sure as well, normally the bane of everybody's life is grill. They're ugly, they're holes, but this is just like really cool, color matched.
Women love the girls.
Really cool. And you'll notice as well that we color match the drivers as well, and the trims.
Beautiful.
That's quite expensive to do. Took a bit of a risk with this, but it's a love or hate thing. In the USA, people will love this finish, and the flagship R11, I know the US price sells for $5,000 a pair. This is insane, and this is getting right up to reference level. Again, we have center channel, Atmos module, or it would perfectly dovetail for Atmos with our in-ceiling loudspeakers. From there we move on to Kef reference, and we'll talk more about that later. Kef reference, the word reference actually means something. The difference is that all these products are normal production line, but Kef reference is made here, one man makes one pair, and they're fastidiously pair matched, very luscious finished. So why all that care and attention to detail? They are pair matched to within half a dB of each other over the whole frequency bandwidth. So we have reference 1, which starts at about $8,000 a pair. We go up to 12 or 13,000 for the reference 3. Reference 5 at $18,000 a pair. Incredible cabinetry work, incredible baffles.
Beautiful.
It really is they're very elegant. This is my least favourite loudspeaker because I'm old in terms of lifting it. Heavy as well. And then we have 2 reference center channels, with a mighty beast, subwoofer. One new thing which we have, which is probably it's a kind of a subgenre which we got late into the game, is fully active loudspeaker system. And probably our best known speaker is it's a kind of one product range. It's the Kef LS50, the most sold mini monitor in the world, and I don't say this just because I'm Kef. It's world famous, and we turned that into an active as well. So there's a set of LS50s called LS50 wireless with active with amps inside and streaming module, and we've also got a baby called the LSX, which is here.
I wasn't aware of that.
Little LSXs, all the inputs you want. Even on the LSXs, the speakers talk wirelessly to each other. They're fully AirPlay 2, fully
like
Roon
Sonos
compatible. Sonos on steroids,
Yeah.
which really works. It's a far higher end, but
Quality.
just by way of example, a set of LSX, just plug and play, really sophisticated, $1,100 a set, and that's a kind of a subgenre. Onwards to architectural loudspeakers, and we've got all sorts of, if you see here, all sorts of shapes and sizes, speakers for the wall, speakers for the ceiling, 4 different levels of performance, right up to sort of, this is kind of R series level, in-wall woofers, reference. So if you can imagine, this is the CI5160 reference, fully THX Ultra approved. These are, to put it into context, $10,000 a piece, and we sell loads of them. This hole here, I'm going to cover this up, is a bit of a secret, because we're going to be revealing something new at Cedia.
Okay.
So
Exciting.
no photos here.
No
Alrighty.
Okay. Specialty dual stereo loudspeakers. So the really interesting thing about our CI program is uses exactly the same voicing, the same technology. So mix and match with our floor standing models, you're not going to get a difference in sound. So it's mix and match is excellent. Right on to our ultimate flagships. We've got the extraordinary blades. We've got Blade and Blade 2. The only difference, well, you can see the difference is size. These use 4 6.5-inch bass drivers. These use 4 9-inch bass drivers. They're about, I think, 24,000 a pair and 32,000 a pair. And then, last but not least, this was a absolutely incredible design exercise, but also a technical exercise for our engineers to go, knock your brains out, guys. Do the best thing possible you can. The idea behind this is a massive loudspeaker, which is 4-way, which is sealed box, but it has to go flat. Flat response, 20 to 20k. That's difficult to do. There's all sorts of other technology built into it. A lot of loudspeakers, in Kef's opinion, might sound great, but they look awful. So we pay a lot of attention to design, and this is like having a sculpture in their room. Price, these are $220,000 a pair. Have we sold them? Oh yeah. Obviously you've got to have the wedge and also the house or palace to put them in.
Absolutely.
So that's the current Kef lineup.
Awesome. Okay. Well, you guys have seen us install a lot of these products, and hopefully here in the future we'll be installing even more. Like he was saying, you'll see in our videos frequently that we'll pair together some of the floor standing speakers, whether it's Q series, R series, and hopefully more Blades and Muons. But we pair that together with architectural speakers to create your dream home theater experience, which is our specialty here. Yes. This is getting me super excited. I don't know about you guys, but we're moving right along in this tour, and the further we get in, the more excited I get.
Yeah, these are pretty badass, guys. Look at this. Put it side by side here.
Look at Grayson. He's 6 foot tall.
I'm a dwarf now.
Anyways, guys, we do sell all of these products. We offer their entire line. Well, we hope that you guys enjoyed this part of our tour and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision, or if you're just interested in learning more about the Kef brand. If you do like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Give us a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. This is Zach and Grayson.
Dream Media Home Theater.
And Johan with Dream Media Home Theater.
All right. we've designed this room, our engineers did this, to be, okay, nicely damped but not over damped. Yeah, we simply don't have the room to bigger screen in here. But we're all about sound.
Yeah, no, it sounds awesome.